and today we are doing Beehive of AI part 2. Okay, so I will check if you can hear me, and then we will begin. One, two, three. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the sound is very weak, but I think you can hear me. I will bring you closer. Okay, something like this. Okay, it's better than nothing. And now I will close YouTube and we will begin. The reason that I'm doing this like this way with my phone is because I need to go from one computer to the other computer, and I don't have anymore the software that can do this like in a good way. And calling myself in Skype, like in Teams or Zoom, is like also tiresome, and I want to work. Like this is mainly for me. I don't think that 20 people that watch this is most of them are bots. It's not for you. It's like mostly for me. Okay. So let's begin. I'm starting with Cloud code. So I'm going to command and I'm going to projects and to I think we are let's go to Beehive of AI. I don't know if this is the correct one, but we will see. Cloud. Okay, model. Select Opus. Command one. Today. Yesterday, So now we will read in GitHub probably, or maybe he has memory so he doesn't need this. Okay, I have the context from it. Okay, do you want Claude to fetch the content? Yes. Do you want to proceed? Yes. You want to fetch this content? Yes. You want to fetch this content? Yes. Okay, cool. Excellent. I've read through all three repos thoroughly. Here is where everything stands. Current state summary. Beehive of AI website hub, phases 1 to 4 done. Flask website with auth roles, worker, queen, beekeeper, hives, jobs, ratings. REST API, 8 endpoints for Honeycomb of AI to connect. Honeycomb of AI, desktop client, phase 2 done. Phase 4 API integration done. Honeycomb Pi launcher with 3 modes, worker, queen, beekeeper. API client Pi connects to Beehive of AI website. Olama client runs local AI via Olama. Queen splits tasks, workers process. So results combine. Demo website.py shows end-to-end with API. The Distributed AI Revolution book, 6 chapters written. Chapter 1 vision, chapter 2 problem, chapter 3 task parallelism, chapter 4 how it works, chapter 5 humans, chapter 6 road ahead. Okay, phase 5, so phase 5. Desktop to laptop and back testing. This is the phase where we prove the system works across 2 real machines. Your desktop running one role and your laptop running another. This means network 1, network connectivity. Both machines need to reach the website. Currently local host 5,000, so we need LAN access, or the website running on one machine accessible to both. 2, multi-machine workflow. For example, queen on desktop, worker on laptop, or vice versa. Beekeeper submits via website. Config per machine. Each machine gets its own config.yaml. It's like a text file with different mode / worker ID. 4, real AI processing. Olama running on both machines, actually processing subtasks. Key things to plan / code. Make the Flask server bind to 0000, not just localhost, so the laptop can reach it. Update config.yaml to support LAN IP addresses. possibly add worker registration / heartbeat API endpoints, test the full flow, submit job, queen splits, workers process, queen combines, result return. Chapter 7, the technical blueprint. This would be the first quote under the hood, unquote, chapter, explaining the actual architecture, protocols, and code structure for technical readers. Topics like the API design, how Olama integrates, the task splitting algorithm, data flow diagrams, etc. What would you like to do first? I can, 1. Plan phase 5 in detail, design what code changes are needed on both Beehive and Honeycomb of AI. Or 2. Write the chapter 7 prompt for Sonnet 4.6 extended to write on Cloud AI. 3. Both. Plan phase 5, then write the chapter 7 prompt. What is your preference? Also, do you have both your desktop and laptop available right now for testing? And are they on the same network? Okay, so first of all, thank you so much. I prefer to do one-on-one. I prefer to phase 5 in detail. I just want to I just want to see that it is the right model. Yes, Opus 4.6. Thank you so much. I prefer to do one plan phase 5 in detail. And now it is Opus, and then after that we actually do the coding as here as Opus, not as Opus, as Sonnet 4.6, please. Here also, please. Also, please remember that we did not do anything yet on the laptop, so we need to install on the that we installed on the desktop. Now, make sure there is Python and not JS or desktop. both is both of my computers. Then let's put on the network. Maybe I can okay. So I hope you can explain this. I will walk around the apartment. Oh, he finished. Okay, I will walk around the apartment anyway. Welcome here, yes, same router, equal same network, perfect. Let me create a detailed phase 5 plan covering everything from setting up your laptop from scratch to testing the full distributed workflow between your two machines. So, phase 5, detailed phase 5, detailed plan, desktop to laptop and back distributed AI. Part A. Laptop setup from scratch. The laptop needs everything your desktop already has. Here is the exact order. A1. Install Python. Download Python 3.12 from Python.org. During install, check Add Python to Path. Verify Python version. After this, install Node.js. Download Node.js LTS from Node.js.org. Verify Node version and NPM version. Install Olama. A3, install Olama. Download from olama.com. Install and run it. Pull the model Olama, pull Llama 3.2 colon 3b, 3 billion parameters. Verify Olama list. A4, install Git. Download from Git scm-scm.com if not already there. Verify Git version. A5, install Cloud Code. Run npm install -g at anthropic-ai/cloud-code. Launch Cloud. It will ask you to log in, use your same Anthropic account. Cloud Max $200 per month, works on multiple machines, no problem. A6, clone the repos. Create a project folder, make dir tilde /projects and cd tilde/projects. Git clone https colon/github.com/stulovitz/honeycomb-of-ai.git. cd honeycomb-of-ai. pip install -r requirements.txt. Note, the laptop does not need Beehive of AI, the website. It will connect to the website running on your desktop over the network. Part B. Desktop changes. Beehive of AI website. B1. Bind Flask to 0000. Currently app.py runs on local host 127.0.0.1. Only the desktop itself can reach it. Change to 0000 so the laptop can connect over LAN. One line change in app.py, app run host 0000, port 5000, debug true. B2. Find the desktop LAN IP address, run ipconfig on the desktop. Look for the IPv4 address under your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, something like 192.168.1.x. Close parentheses. The laptop will use this IP to connect. B3. Add worker registration API endpoint. New endpoint post/API/worker/register. Worker announces itself to the website. New endpoint get/API/worker/heartbeat. Worker pings periodically to show it's online. New endpoint get/API/hive ID like one second. Okay, I will stop for a moment the live stream, and I will continue in a moment in another live stream. Sorry.